Assalamu alaikum. I hope you all are fine. I am Sir Bilal and I am going to teach you computer science. Okay students, so now today we will continue our chapter input devices. So what is digitizing and scanning devices? Digitizing devices converts manually produced data into a digital form which can be stored and manipulated on a computer. Some devices are the graphics tablet, the optical scanner, the card reader, quick response code reader, the barcode reader, and the fingerprint reader. Now we are going to discuss the devices which we mentioned. First, the graphic tablet. What is a graphic tablet? A graphic tablet is a board covered by a touch sensitive membrane. A stylus is a pointer, while a plug is a mouse like device. The stylus and a plug are used to draw directly on the tablet. Graphic tablets are used to make maps and drawings. The second device is the optical scanner. What is an optical scanner? An optical scanner converts printed or handwritten text, diagrams, and photographs into digital form and transfer them directly to the computer. A portable scanner is a handheld device, and a flatbed scanner is larger, which consists of a glass pane and a cover. The digital image can be displayed on the monitor, modified, printed, and stored for later use. The card reader is another device. What is a card reader? A card reader reads a magnetic strip on a plastic card. Magnetic strips hold information to allow a computer to identify the owner of the card. A smart card has an embedded microchip. It can store more than a magnetic strip, that is around 8,000 characters. Laser cards can store over 2 million characters. What is a quick response code reader, which is also known as QR code reader? A quick response code is a special type of barcode that can store more information than ordinary barcodes. Instead of a series of vertical lines, the QR code consists of black dots placed within a square box. The QR code can be read by any smartphone that has the QR application installed. The barcode reader. A barcode is a series of black and white lines of varying thickness. It enables a central computer to identify an item with the help of a barcode number. The barcode identifies the product, its country of origin, and its manufacturer. We can see the barcode reader in the supermarkets at the cash counter. What is a fingerprint reader? A fingerprint reader is used to identify people. A computer stores the fingerprint of several people. When a person places a finger on the reader, the fingerprint is scanned and sent to the computer. The computer checks if the fingerprint matches any one of those stored on the computer. Different offices use the fingerprint reader for the attendance of their employees. What is the character and mark recognition devices? Character and mark recognition devices can recognize special characters and marks. Some devices which are mentioned in our notebook are as under. the magnetic ink character recognition scanner, which is called MICR, the optical mark recognition reader, which is called OMR, and the optical character recognition reader, which is known as OCR. Now we are going to discuss all the three devices which are mentioned in our notebook. The first device of character and mark recognition device is the magnetic ink character recognition scanner, which is known as MICR scanner. MICR is used to read special characters which are printed at the bottom of checks. These characters are printed in special magnetized ink. The MICR reads a large number of checks quickly. The second device is the optical mark recognition reader, which is known as OMR reader. OMR is also called mark sensing. An OMR reader senses the absence or presence of a mark, such as a pencil mark. OMR is used in multiple choice tests and to read lottery tickets. The last device in our notebook is the optical character recognition reader, which is known as OCR reader. OCR uses pre-printed characters that are read by a light source and changed into a code. A common reader is the handheld wand. What is a wand? It is a handheld electronic device which can be passed over a barcode to read the encoded data. An OCR reader are used to read utility bills, price tags, and airline tickets. Okay students, so this is the end of our today's lecture. We will continue the remaining part of the chapter in the upcoming videos. If you have any query regarding to this lecture, you can ask me in our class. Thank you. Take care. Allah Hafiz.